Hey, my name is Sue Kwon. I have a great story here. It's about how DriveSavers and Mom here saved the day. This starts off with a frantic phone call from my son, who's a senior in college. He happened to be working on his thesis, which was a project, a documentary film project.
One morning I just turned on my computer like normal and it wouldn't come on. I went to the Apple store. They couldn't figure out what the problem was and they said I would need to go to a third party and try and fix it. When I was at the Apple store, I realized that all my files from my documentary were still on the device. And sadly, I had not backed up certain files to my hard drive. So I was in a panic. I went online, looked at the first company that came out, based out of New York, I believe, and they tried to help me. I emailed them and they couldn't even get close to meeting my budget.
But this is months and months of footage that he shot and would have to shoot again. It's coming up on the end of the year and he does not have a lot of time.
The service was also a little rude. They started pushing me a little, asking me to confirm the order. And so I just decided not to do it. Then I remembered a story my mom did on DriveSavers.
And he remembered me telling him stories about how DriveSavers was able to help me when in my TV news days where I would lose content on machines all the time. So, and he also remembers me doing stories about how DriveSavers would help flood victims or fire victims retrieve important photos and data when people thought it couldn't be done.
Looked them up, did a little research, started talking to their staff. They were super welcoming, super helpful.
They really do care about trying to solve the problem. They know the emotional distress that you're under. They know they don't judge and say, what did you do to break the machine? Which I think is really important. And, you know, I think feeling like they made us feel like we were working together to solve the problem. So it turns out that there was a full physical failure. It's a very hard fix for Macs. There's no easy way out. It's not like you just plug in a drive and port things over. They had to make the computer work again, which is a process that they had to do internally, and it would take several hours, maybe even days. So they were very realistic about the chances. In this case, they said the chances were decent, whereas the other company that my son reached out to, they were very hedgy, right? Just didn't give him a lot of information, what they were doing, the chances of retrieval, just had a dollar figure that just didn't make a lot of sense to him. So DriveSavers took a shot at it, and here's the computer. They were able to retrieve everything, the whole hard drive, the whole desktop, all of the files, and returned it on a small drive with instructions on how to download the information to keep a backup.
So now I have all the data back, all thanks to DriveSavers.
The good news is his documentary will be finished. He will graduate. He learned an important lesson in backing up his material, and now he knows where to go if anything like this ever happens again.
DriveSavers, we can save it.